Hey local business owners, are you looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your catering services? You're definitely in the right spot today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your catering services. Let's jump in. Now, if you just randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't familiar with Mighty Sites yet. Mighty Sites is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So be sure to click on the link below this video. Get started with that free trial. You don't even have to put your credit card details. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. As you can see, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, caterer. You also have the options to select the corporate caterer or mobile caterer or the general service business template. For this, I'm just going to go ahead and select the general caterer option. Great, let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, Mighty Sites will automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your brand new website in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because I'm going to be the one to show you around and show you how easy it is to make any changes to your new website. Now, the great thing about the Mighty Sites platform, which makes us a little bit different from other website builders, is we've pre-written all the content for you specific to a caterer. We've also pre-selected all the images as well specific to a caterer too. No matter which market you select, you will have pre-written content and pre-selected images as well. You can change them to suit your business. You can upload your own images of all your catering that you have served up at events. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content, make it a bit more personalized to your business. To make any changes, as mentioned, you don't need to know any coding and you don't need to be super tech savvy either. This is literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. So let's click the first section at the top, put in a few basic details like my email address. Once you've done so, you can click on show email and site to make it visible to your customers for their convenience. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical locations, and your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Over here is where you can put in your social media links that your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed for social channels at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. In the next section, head on over here to upload your logo. You can make minor edits to your logo by clicking on that pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller. To change the colors, all you need to do is click on that paint icon, go through the various color palette options. There are so many options to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your business, just click on that update section button. Over here is where you can upload your own images or search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the options to connect your Instagram account as well. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they're linked. You can even upload a PDF file, which is a great way maybe to display your menu options for your catering services. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. Keep track of all those leads coming in your Mighty dashboard. Now, if you've already purchased a custom domain for your website and your business, you absolutely can connect it by clicking on that button at the bottom, connect your domain. Purchasing a custom domain was a really smart move because having a custom domain for your business website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your local competitors. Now, if you don't have a custom domain yet and you want one, you can absolutely purchase one via the Mighty Sites platform as well. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful, a little bit of an overview on how easy it is to make changes to your brand new website on the Mighty Sites platform. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed, so be sure to click on the link below this video and get started. If you have any questions about the platform, do pop them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. Really wishing you and your business Mighty success.